How many of you get angry at least 5 times a day? How many of you get angry more than 5 times a day? Any one of you not getting angry at all? Not a single time in a day? Anyone? How many of you are 100% anger proof? Anyone here? Let's talk about how to control anger, because this one quality will take you places and make you a better human being, better spouse, better father, better grandparent, or a better vendor, customer, wherever you want to excel in life. Do you remember this scene? One sarcastic comment, Andhe ka beta andha. And Duryodhan's anger led to a big war called Mahabharata. And Draupadi's cheer-haran in publicly. Anyone can become angry, that's easy, but to be angry with the right person, to the right degree, at the right time, for the right purpose and the right way, that's not easy. It's okay to be angry. It's okay to be angry with your current situation. It's okay to be angry with your current earning or your current sales, so that you can do something about it, current health. But that's not the anger I'm talking about here. That's anger in a very, very positive way. What stimulated the anger response, anger trigger? Behavior, reaction provoked by anger, and the consequences. What happened as a result of controlling or not controlling one's anger? You all must have seen endless stories, and you must have suffered sometime in life because of the anger. I had in my younger age, shouted at one of the worker and removed him, and I had to face a huge strike in my factory and the union actions. Just one outburst. So there are various triggers, specific reasons, external, classmate, friends, co-worker, or somebody telling you something that triggers anger. Event. Traffic jam, I have seen people go crazy. Concert, flight, talking trash about your family, etc. And internal worrying about personal problems. People who are suffering from, say, for example, back pain or some other issue, they are agitated most of the time, because having pain in your body makes you angry, sometimes agitated. You're not comfortable, you are irritated all the time. And memories of traumatic event that triggers sometimes anger. Some myths about anger. Anger is inherited. My brother used to say, मैं तो angry हूँ, मैं change नहीं हो सकता. I was born with the anger. Nobody is born with the anger. Anger comes from your surroundings, and so anger automatically leads to aggression. And people must be aggressive to get what they want. So suppressing anger is always desirable. So managing your anger comes from fear, unappreciated, frustration, rejection, hurt, disappointment, humiliation, embarrassment, lot of reasons. So some questions here. How are you affected by the feelings and emotions that you keep inside you? What things inside of you make you feel angry? How can your life change if you get rid of those negative things and leave only the positive in your heart? It makes the life amazing. How can you get rid of the negative things in your life? Do you trust anyone with your heart? Why or why not? These are some of the questions I want to ask you. How can it help you to find someone to trust with your feelings and emotions? So there's a fight or flight reaction whenever we are angry. By the way human mind is designed, we come into fight or flight mode. A natural adaptive response to threat. Increase in blood pressure and heart rate. Our दिल धक धक करने लगता है जोर से when we are very angry. आवाज बदल जाती है. Increase in energy hormones. So how anger feels? Muscles get tense, accelerated heartbeat, knot in the stomach or thread, changes in breathing, trembling or shaking, goosebumps, flushed face, changes in facial expression, eyebrows, frowning, nostrils. So many things change. So anger occurs naturally and cannot be avoided for a lot of people. I mean, it took me many, many years. I'm 63-year-old, almost 30, 40 years to learn this, practice this, and have that much kind of control. So anger becomes a problem when felt too intensely, felt too frequently, expressed inappropriately, word, gesture, contact, result in negative consequences, assault, arrest, losing loved one, termination from college work. These are the consequences of anger. Result in negative self-confidence, guilt, shame, regret, because after when the anger is gone away, it's taken over by sometimes guilt, shame or regret. So anger is a feeling, aggression is an action. People go out, they start to fight, they pull out their guns and shoot people. So it's an emotion, it's okay to be angry. Aggression is acting out inappropriately. That is not okay, absolutely not okay. Till anger is also okay, because that you can control sometime. So learn to check your aggression and express your anger appropriately in a positive way. So this is the anger cycle: escalation phase, explosion phase, and then the post-explosion phase. Jail, termination from program or service, financial cost, loss of family or loved one, guilt, shame. How do you know when you are angry? Where in your body do you feel anger? List your physical signs of being angry. Just be aware of it. Awareness brings a lot of improvement. What is the first sign of anger? If you identify the triggers, what makes you angry? List all the things you can think of, all the way from small annoyance to big problems. So start listing every day when you're in the night. Write down what made you angry today. How can you manage that? How do you usually react when you feel angry? Think about the last time you reacted in an unhealthy or negative way to anger. What happened right before you got it? So being aware of all these things, you'll be able to manage. How did you react? How did you feel after you reacted? What could you have done instead? What would happen if you were to react in a more positive way? It's systematic method of consecutively recognizing anger and managing its effect. Anger management does not involve getting rid of all anger, but using anger to enhance your life. We can look at the purpose of anger in both positive and negative light. Like I said, it's okay to be angry if your sales is not growing. Do something about it. That's positive anger. If your diet is not working or you're putting on weight, it's okay to be angry on yourself and put out the strategy in place. The positive aspect of anger are that you have increased energy, are able to communicate your feeling, able to problem solve and take charge of the situation. That is the real positive outcome of anger. The negative aspect of anger are that you can have disruption of your thinking, unnecessarily defend yourself, become aggressive and become known as an angry person. So anger management would be seen then as increasing the positive aspect of function of anger and decreasing the negative functions of the anger. So identify personal signals of anger, what triggers it. Identify self-talk techniques. Learn problem solving. Anytime you are getting angry about that situation, what is causing it, what is the problem, and think in the term of solutions. Learn relaxation skills. So yelling, sulking, pouting, hitting, other violence, competitive games, accusations, arguing. So here are the ways you can do it. Cooling off habit. Abdominal breathing, count to 10 and that to reverse order, 10, 9, 8. I do this when sometimes I'm difficulty in having sleep. I count 10, 9, 8, deep breath and I'm non-competitive exercise, distraction, humor, watch some comedies. It's the best thing to do. There are so many comedy videos available. Raising your voice, big no, yelling, saying I am the boss, insisting on I have the last word, using tense body language, making comparisons, using degrading, insulting, humiliating, put down, using sarcasm, bringing up unrelated events, holding a grudge and nagging. These are the things to be avoided. Take a screenshot of this and see this day-to-day basis for a couple of days till you start to see the changes in yourself. So skills needed in dealing with it: identify a range of feeling including anger, identify aggressive act by self and others, identify the potential consequences to self and others from these aggressive acts. Some of the people in my life who are very angry, and every time I diffuse them with a smile and reply, sometimes in a very cold voice. I remember one relative elder was abusing me or something, and in a very cold voice I told him smilingly, I can even throw more abuses on you. मेरी dictionary में गालियाँ आपसे ज़्यादा हैं, and I can do that. Never ever behave like this. And after that, many years, that person never had the courage to abuse me or get angry with me. Identify self-destructive behavior. Identify thoughts prior to aggressive act. Identify internal cues to feeling of anger. Develop coping mechanism for dealing with anger and express anger without loss of control. That will be the beauty. That people know you can show anger from your eyes without saying anything. होता है कि नहीं होता है? Identify a range of feeling including anger. Embarrassment, excitement, disappointment, jealousy, fear, helplessness, sadness, left out. So always don't give this power to anyone. You have the power. Nobody should have that power to make you upset. Keep that power to yourself. Empower yourself today. Own my feeling. It is okay to feel angry. Anger is part of being human. I learned how to express my anger in helpful ways. So these are some of the behaviors we already talked. yesterday somebody was telling me कि उसका बच्चे पढ़ नहीं रहे थे, out of anger उसने टीवी तोड़ दिया अपना, टीवी तोड़ दिया. तो these are, and some people they get angry, वो 1 महीना बात करना बंद कर देंगे, cold war चलेगा. That is also not good. Spread humor, gossiping, बुराई करना शुरू कर देंगे एक दूसरे की. So I choose to feel good about myself through expressing my feelings. I express angry feeling in a way that are fair to others and me. I use fair words and I feel when you. So when a toxic person makes rude remarks, say life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. Research shows that companies with a strong work environment have a 4x increase in revenue growth and credit their massive success to their office culture. Ford was going bankrupt in 2014 and they hired, Billy Ford hired a person called Alan Mulally as CEO. He was the CEO of Boeing. And the one thing he did in the company, he said zero tolerance about sarcasm and negative comments in the company about. One thing from day one he changed, and that thing changed the entire company culture. So if you want one takeaway from today is that zero negative comment from yourself about anybody behind their back or in front of them, no sarcasm, no cynical comments, and your life will change. The more I learn to take care of my anger, the more powerful I become. I need to control what I do with my anger. I let my anger out. I practice cooling off. I watch my thoughts. Identify potential consequences of your anger to others and yourself. What can that mean for you? Physical harm, destruction of property, loss of family, friend, loss of job. So these are some of the triggers we already talked about. So I stop blaming others and myself. Blaming only keeps people upset. Blaming is a way of not respecting people. I've many times talked about mirror exercise. I express and the carefrontation instead of confrontation. I express my feelings and then try to work things out. I don't have to hold on to my anger. I find ways to let it go. I talk about hurt and angry feeling. I look for someone to discuss my anger. I have a mentor. I have a great friend. Discuss the feeling. I discuss my words and action and hurt with others. I take power. I stand up for myself. I learn to defeat negative self-talk. I feel good about learning about myself. I am strong when I use fair and firm words instead of fists. I remember that people are precious. I watch my thoughts, words and action. I stop hurting people with my words and action. These are your affirmations today. I take ownership of the hurtful things I do and say. Bullying hurts everyone. So you have a choice. Anger control plan 1 to 10. Give yourself every day rating where you are today and move to 10. So even what happened, degree on meter, cues, ways it affected you, what can you do? Talk with a supportive friend, exercise. Being healthy is also make you avoid anger, relaxation. Get exercise, eat right, get enough sleep, learn to relax, be in the company of awesome people. Support system. You cannot be angry at Tajurba. We are very, very positive. And take time out. Stay some time in nature. Go to parks. Listen to that bird sound, the water sound. So don't take yourself seriously. Change your environment. Go to nature. Avoid anger triggers. Find alternatives. So calm down. Show mutual respect. Name the problem. Find solutions. Choose the best solution. Congratulate yourself. Review the solution that was picked. Why worry and have wrinkles when you can smile and have dimples? It's hard to be mad, it's easy to be glad. Deeds, not the word, shall speak me. The best way to attract others is to keep yourself cool. Don't make promises when you are in joy. Don't reply when you are sad. Don't take decision when you are angry. Think twice, act twice. Thank you very much. And my ask today is, yesterday I released my book on Amazon. If I have added value to your day today, to your life, it's available only at 70 rupees at Amazon. Buy that today. All of you will make this book a bestseller today, and I'll be truly, truly grateful to all of you. Thank you very much. And if we have time, any question or one key.
Sir, great presentation, and it's really a need of an hour. This presentation was something which is required at most in our society right now, what I feel. And I will be glad, sir, if you can share it with us.
Yes, definitely. I'll share it in the group today.
Sir, amazing presentation. The one thing I really liked about this particular thing, that sometimes we are angry and we do not show that anger. We feel it inside and we don't talk to that person for many years or many months. So instead of cooling yourself and explaining the things and communicating, that would be the best option for that.
Thank you, Surajji. Wonderful about the anger. When I was joined in this insurance and RSS, I forget angers, because if I will keep angers, then my business will be not happen.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sureshji. I think all of the points, because I have 2 teen daughters, so I have been struggling a lot, because one is in 10th and one is in 6th, and all this lockdown period and so much to take on. So thank you so much. I think all my points have been covered, and I will try to work on it, try to control my anger. Thank you so much.
Keep smile. You look very good in smiling, and you can't be angry when you're smiling. So always.
Thank you. I have dimples too.
Yes.